In this primary suite, we decided to lead with contrast. We grounded the space with the walls that is a white oak paneling stained dark, and then on the upper half of the wall we did a Roman clay, so it has lots of movement and plays a lot with the light. We then brought that over on the other side of the wall where we've got the fireplace. On either side of the fireplace, we had just enough room for these slender built-ins that have a little bit of an open concept and then closed storage little cubbies. Certainly the most unique thing in this room is the doors that slide all the way open, even the corner, and lead you right out to the fire pit. It's the perfect evening spot for the sunset with an incredible 180 view of the Newport Harbor. This primary suite deserved a bathroom that complemented its moody touches. We played with a textured tile, a dramatic marble, and then on the vanity side wanted something that had a simple elegance and a strong bold statement.